Remove battery. Remove bottom door. Pull HDD and remove it. Here I used ordinary for laptop 2.5-inch hard disk, and it can be replaced with any 2.5-inch SSD. Remove screws that secures disk in a metal bracket. And now replace it with SSD. Just repeat same steps in reverse order.